Let me show you guys today what $4,000 per month gets you in the Masaki area. Come on, let me show you guys something. Now, as you guys may see, the Fordtz are here putting in work right now, putting up the finishing touches so that this development can be brought to life. Now, it's projected to be ready by this September. So if you're serious about this, make sure you watch this so you can see more. Guys, today we are here at a 4-bedroom villa here in the Masaki area. We're going to take you guys on a quick tour so that you can see what's happening here at this villa. Now, right now, you can see the open floor plan with the nice large windows with the lighting that comes in effortlessly with those windows. And also, take a look at this nice kitchen that we have over here. We have the 5-plate stove tops over here so that you can easily cook multiple things at one time. And also, we have the nice Fordtz stone countertops here as well. And we also have this nice sink set up right here. Now, you've seen these on TV sometimes, but we actually have these here in Masaki. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the upstairs space. Come on, let me take you guys upstairs with me. Now, this villa is situated in a nice neighborhood where there's a lot of convenient things around. There are schools around, there are supermarkets around, and so much more. And also, this nice pajama area that you have here. So if you want to chill with your family before you end your night, this is an area for that as well. And come on in here. Each room has this on bathroom that is en suite. So if you want to have your private space, you have that as well in here. So go ahead and check out that bathroom real quick. And as I mentioned, each room is en suite. This is also another one right here. And this one has a huge window as well. And also the very, very high ceilings that they have for the heat. It easily helps the heat to circulate throughout the villa. But come on, let me show you guys this master bedroom over here. And also after that, I'll show you the terrace. Come on real quick. Now this master bedroom is very, very well spaced out. But the one thing that I love the most is the wardrobe space that will be coming here a little bit later. Check out that space out. And also, this very, very big bathroom that you have. You can have your nice shower over here if you do what you want to do. And there's enough space for multiple people at one time. Some of us have wives. You can share this shower as well. And last, but certainly not least, let's go to the top floor so that you guys can see this terrace and the views. And I'm trying to go quick so that we can go ahead and keep your attention because I know you probably want to scroll and see something else. So let me just give you the real rundown of what's happening over here. Now you see this beautiful, beautiful view in the background. And I just learned recently, you guys see that crane over there? That crane means that there's real work being done in the real estate industry over here. Now, guys, these villas are going very, very quickly, okay? So reach out to us at Remax or DM me right now so that we can get you into this villa today. I'm looking forward to seeing your message.